Hello everyone, I'm talking a new feature in Go-HighLevel that is how to use in-app sub-account transfer. We are thrilled to announce that agencies now can transfer sub-accounts to other agencies from within the app without the hassle of raising support tickets. This feature will brought you inside the app will have thousands of tickets and innumerable hours of support team. Then for using this by raising agency raises a transfer request from sub-account managed client page by providing the receiving sub agency's relationship number. The receiving agency number gets an email with the request details. All the request can be accessed in sub-accounts and sub-account transfer page. If the receiving agency approves the request, the sub-account is transferred. We need to note down some of the points when the transfer of sub-account assets. Websites and files will be transferred. GHL calendars will get transferred over. All automation will be transferred over. Contacts and their conversations, appointments, opportunities, and history will be transferred over. SaaS mode on sub-account will automatically be disabled and corresponding subscription cancelled. Okay, for accessing this feature, first you need to get into agency level account and click on sub accounts. I can click on any account and click on manage client. After clicking on manage client, you need to click on actions. After clicking on actions, you can click on transfer sub account and you will get a notification like this. You need to click on I have agree and you have to provide this number so that you will get a request transfer number. If you click on request transfer, the page will be loading. After clicking on this notification transfer, we'll get a review request. Whether this review request has to be approved. After that, after the approval of request, you will get a three dots here. You need to click on three dots and you need to click on sub account transfer. After clicking on sub account transfer, your account will be transferred to the sub account. And here you need to click on decline and approve for transferring purpose. Thank you.